Bamboo is one of the plants that best represents Chinese culture. It symbolizes a person's exemplary conduct and noble character, and people's desire to move up the career ladder. Articollect Workshop retains the original appearance of bamboo and its joints, and has developed a new generation of bamboo products, a bamboo business card holder. The well-designed, simple, and plain style exhibits the owner's noble character and presents a new lifestyle that is environmentally friendly and chic. You can hold it in one hand. The natural aesthetics of bamboo further demonstrates your elegance and great taste. A natural material originating from the beautiful island of Taiwan, displaying breathtaking craftsmanship that brings out the pure aesthetics of traditional handicraft and conveys friendliness among people. You can switch the back to a metallic back cover that best suits your mood. Laser carving on bamboo can be tailor-made to produce gentleman elegance in a bamboo forest, making a one-of-a-kind card holder. Every piece of Philostachys edulis is unique. A new and improved innovative holder to hold business, not only business cards, but also tickets.